So, sometimes my videos are not always worthy, but I do believe this one is. Okay, you got your old Strimmer. The locking nut, screw, fix, whatever you want to call it, is missing or broken. My experience, once you've put them on a few times, you tend to round off or break or whatever. Anyway, you did see me try this on the lawnmowers. Didn't quite work, but on a Strimmer, she's gonna work. Check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna pour your little pieces that you want lining up. Forget that. Forget that washer. Okay. A little bit more. Teeny weeny bit more. Happy days. Look at that. If I can show you. Close the gap nicely. Undone. Done. Beautiful. Happy days. Quick tip there for you. Don't struggle with your nuts and bolts. Just get a quick release off a bike seat. Happy days. Woohoo!